Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is a clean with me. I'm starting off with making up my bed, and I think this is just a great start for a productive day. To me, having my bed made, it it deters me from lying and lounging around in my bed for the entire day. It makes me productive and do things that do daily chores. Basically, I feel as if I left the bed unkept, it gives me an opportunity to be lazy and to basically waste the day. So that's the first thing of today, to just make the bed, which is a simple task. Moving into the living room now, I have some laundry that I need to fold and put away. I can't believe, I think as I get older in age, how therapeutic it is to like reset the house, to clean. And don't get me wrong, but I rather clean at night. When everyone is have already eaten, there's nobody coming up for some midnight munches, and it's quiet. I put on a cleaning video or some sort of video that will help to motivate me, and I will clean because I feel so good when I wake up and the entire place is so clean, like exactly how I left it the night before. It can be sort of draining to for you to clean, and next minute like it is completely has gone back the way that it was before. It kind of deter you from wanting to do it, and so that's why I rather clean at night, because I know when I wake up it's gonna be exactly the same as I left it the night before. So moving on, I am now tidying up the couches, and there's not much cleaning to do, just to get rid of some crumbs and dust from the couch, and then I'm just gonna put everything back where they belong. I'm just gonna finish off the living room by spraying some Febreze, and this one smells amazing. And just to freshen up the couch and make everything smells amazing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sweep all of the crumbs and dust that I collected from these couches, and that's basically it for the living room. Moving on to the counters. Recently, I've been noticing there's a lot of fly on the kitchen counters or even on the couches, and I thought that something sweet probably did spill, but I heard that since Hurricane Beryl came, there had just been a lot of flies about, and you guys will probably see some in here. And we've tried everything. We've tried bleach, we've tried alcohol, and they just simply doesn't work, and I'm not sure why. I have been constantly scrubbing the countertops ever so often, just because I hate seeing flies. They're disgusting creatures in my opinion, and I just, even if the place is clean, like it's spotless, you will still see flies, and it drives you crazy. It drives me insane. So for the upting time, I am going to wipe down the countertops, and I have some dishes in the sink that needed to get washed. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash those. I recently ordered a tripod and octopus tripod from Shein, so I used it for the first time today. So you guys are gonna be seeing different angles in this video, and I hope there's a lot of improvement when it comes to the quality of the video overall. Now I'm just scrubbing the other side of the countertop, because once one area is clean, they will find their way to the area that is not so clean. So I want to make sure the entire countertop and the entire kitchen is clean. I'm just going to wipe it off now and move on to the next chore. I had this refrigerator for 3 months now, and it's the first time that I'm taking my time and wiping it down. And I did not expect to see as much dust on the top of it as I don't know, just didn't expect to see that much. I'm going to have to do a thorough clean of this refrigerator inside and out. It cools and freezes very fast, and because it does that, the freezer is iced up. So I'm gonna have to let it defrost and give it a thorough cleaning. So this is a couple hours later, and there are some laundries that I wanted to fold before I go to bed. And I put on a YouTube video. I think her name is All About Jazz, and I just watch it while I fold in the laundry. Let me know if there is a better way to fold fitted sheets. I have tried everything in the book, every method of folding fitted sheet, and it always looks. I just don't like the way it looks at the end. It's not neat. I don't like it. So if there is a way, please let me know. If there's a way to fold it and it looks really nice and neat. So I'm just going to put away the sheets and the clothes that I just folded, and tidy up this tray that I've been using. Um, just a little bit. Take out whatever crumbs is there and move on to the next drawer. So I have some dishes in the sink that have been washed earlier, and I like to go to sleep with a clean environment, and just the kitchen sink clean, everything just packed away. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I did end up washing the dishes that are in the other part of the sink, but because I showed you guys been washing the ones earlier, I didn't want to be too repetitive. So I'm just gonna tidy these up and put them into their respective places. I wanted to show you guys my plant. I finally planted out my peas, garlic, and watermelon seeds into some dirt. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna put away the dishes and lock up, and that's basically it for the night. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me in this cleaning video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.